Hey, welcome back to the channel. We are back with another rack store pickup. And today I was able to find something at my local Marshalls. And as you guys can see from the footage, both stores, both TJ Maxx and Marshalls that I checked out were completely stocked with product, obviously gearing up for the holiday season. So if you guys have not checked your local rack stores, be sure to go do so. There was a lot of great deals to be had. I think the TJ Maxx that I was in had about maybe 30 fragrances on red sticker. So definitely worth going to check out, seeing what you can find. I saw some great fragrances there. I was actually disappointed because I had looked at the Carolina Herrera Bad Boy, and I initially grabbed that one from the TJ Maxx. They brought it to the front, and even when he handed it to me, I said, this feels a little light. I looked at the packaging, and it's the body spray, so a power spray, whatever they want to call it. So that was super disappointing. It was like $50 for 100 ml. I knew right away when I felt the box, I said, this feels way too light. So that was a disappointment. However, I was able to find the fragrance that we're going to be talking about today. I have tried this before. I do enjoy this fragrance. It was just at a price that I could not pass up. The scent we are talking about is H24 EDT from Hermes. And as you can see, I paid $40.99 for the 50 ml. Now, this is not the typical pricing for this bottle, at least not from what I've seen. More so, it's around the $50 mark, even the $60 mark. So this is a fantastic steal for the scent. That's cheapy territory in my sort of assessment of things. Anything under $45 is cheapy territory. So yeah, so this is a really great scent. I think this one's underrated. I'm going to dig into it. I'm not wearing a scent today, so I will wear this today and talk a little bit more about it in my weekly wears video. But let's get it on skin. Let's see what it does. I haven't smelled it in a while, so I hope I still like it. Let's get into it. So here we have H24 EDT. Pretty simple bottle, but very classy nonetheless. I love sort of the cuts of the bottle and the contours. Just super sleek looking and really simple, but it works. Let's check the atomizer. Very nice atomizer. I'm a huge fan of Hermes fragrances. They're a higher end designer fragrance brand, in my opinion. Some of their older offerings are just incredible, really masterpiece fragrances. So Bellamy, for one. Incredible fragrance. Now, in the air, this is really metallic, but really aromatic. This is a unique scent. Not everyone is going to like this one. As I said at the intro, I think this one's underrated. I don't think it gets enough love. The Parfum version is really nice. I've tried that one. They are different in some respects, but I don't know. There's something about the EDT, maybe the projection, just its presence overall really appeals to me. So yeah, this one, again, I had tested on a strip, and I had the strip in my car, and it literally smelled for months. So there's a lot of aroma chemicals in here to make this thing last. All right, so let's check this on skin. Okay, so it's very aromatic immediately. I don't know if there's sage in here. I'm not sure of the notes, but it's metallic, it's aromatic. There's almost a slight floral vibe as well, and a juiciness to it. So the more you smell this, the more you think it's not as unique as maybe initial spray, because it is so metallic heavy. It has this synthetic vibe to it, this dryer sheet vibe to it. I smell some woods, and just those aromatics just smell so realistic. I got to take a look at the notes because it's green, it's woody. I just can't quite put my finger on what's in here. Really bright, refreshing, and uplifting. It's going to be the perfect springtime scent. But again, year-round scent, in my opinion. It's definitely signature worthy. So you're getting a high quality fragrance here for $40 in my case. And I think you can probably find it for not much more on discounters. I'll be sure to link it down below for you guys. I'm going to take a look at the notes really quick. The notes for Hermes H24, Clary Sage, Narcissus, Palisander Rosewood, and Scarline. So the Clary Sage and the Rosewood certainly stand out to me. The Narcissus must be that floral aspect I'm getting. The Scarline, I'm not sure. I've never smelled that. I don't know what that is. I'd be curious to let me know in the comment section down below if you guys are familiar with that note. But once this is on for a few minutes, that metallicness sort of smooths out. I love the way it works with the florals here because they're not feminine in the slightest to my nose. It's just a really easygoing, aromatic, versatile fragrance. I think it would be ideal for an office setting. This is probably not one that I would wear out in the evening. Maybe the summer months, I would probably reach for this one more for night out. But for the most part, it's going to be a daytime fragrance and just an easy dumb reach, high quality dumb reach. I think this one's a winner. I think a lot of you guys would like this one. It is different. It is unique for a designer. More of that rosewood is starting to come out. I love the Clary Sage here. It smells super realistic. It smells like you're in a field of Clary Sage. So yeah, I really like this one, H24. As I said, I'm gonna wear it today. I'm not wearing a fragrance. I'm gonna wear it today, give you guys a little more insight as to what I get in terms of performance. But if it lasts as long as it did on that strip in my car, you're gonna get pretty good performance here. So yeah, H24 from Hermes. That's all I have today, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below your experience with H24 from Hermes. Is this one that you guys enjoy? Is it one that you've wanted to add to the collection or just try? Drop it in the comment section down below. If you like what you saw today, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell notification so you are updated whenever I upload new content. But until then, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.